Hi, it's Kaylie from the I Can Make Shoes team, and I'm going to talk you through the making of these super cool, super groovy sliders. So the first thing was the design process. We collaborated with Tara Khorzad, who does these amazing prints. So we knew that we had to design something that really brought those prints to life. And this style of wedge slider was the exact perfect shape for this type of print. So I began by creating a mood board full of funky 70s prints, psychedelic prints, and in the end, me and Tara decided that we were just gonna go all over, print on print, everywhere, which I think was a super bold decision and definitely paid off. I decided that this print would pair super well with our 2mm black resin sole, and I also chose a black lining too. Next, I'm going to take you through the making process. The first thing I did was cover the entire wedge unit all the way around. I then traced, cut, and stitched the uppers together. The next step, I covered the insocks. Then I glued and lasted all of the pieces together. I then put the uppers onto the wedge unit and I glued on the sole. This is the final product. What do you guys think? This collaboration was a great example of how you can take a very simple style shoe and make it something so bold and self-expressive with a really cool funky print. So if you're feeling super inspired to create something similar for yourself, we have this exact style in our supply shop. We have the sandal pattern and we also have the wedge and the resin soling as well. Happy shoemaking!